the intermediate course and study material arrived, and this study material is for May 21 and onwards attempt, like November 21 then May 22. And if अगर किसी केस में कोई अपग्रेडेशन आता है तो नए बुक्स आ सकती हैं. So let's see what we are getting from Institute of Chartered Accountants. So let's unbox it. Okay, there are a lot of books to read. So I've counted them. It is 23 books approx जो हमें पढ़नी है for our intermediate attempt. So let's take them out. Yeah. Oops. Okay. So let's just take them out. Okay. So yeah. So we are having approximately these 23 books, and this is set of group 1, and yep, these are group 1 books. So let's see. So basically group 1 is having accounting, then course and management accounting, then it's having law, and then it's having tax. So basically if I talk about group 1 is more of practical, and it is really easy to crack as I have like checked out over the internet. Then this is group 2, and it is having more of, I could say, the theory subjects like auditing and EIS, and then we are having financial management. So more of theory subject, and it's a bit harder to crack in case of intermediate. So the passing percentage of group 2 is a bit low, so we need to focus on it as well. So I'm arranging them in like orders, so we can find out that ki per subject हमें कितनी books पढ़नी है. So let's see. So approx 3 books every subject, like average निकाले तो 3 books we need to study per subjects. If I talk about advanced accounting, so we need to study 3 books, okay, 4 books for advanced accounting, and for auditing and assurance we need to study 3 books. Okay, this is auditing pronouncement, and then we are having auditing and assurance module 2. Okay, then okay, so 3 books for auditing, and then we are having enterprise and information system, that is our EIS, and then strategic management. So we are having 2 books for it. But yeah, these 2 books looks like 2 books, but it is really hard to crack. So let's see if we could. Then we are having financial management, and in financial management we have to study 3 books, 2 of financial management and 1 of economic for finance. So yeah, these are our books. Okay, 3 books. So now moving further to group 1. So as I told you, group 1 is more practical, and we could like score well. So let's arrange them in order to. So okay, let's arrange them. So basically अगर हम देखें तो approximately in group 1 as well we need to study like average of 3 books per subject. But we could say like there's a lot of books to study. And yep, let's check accounting. May we are having, okay, we are having 4 books for accounting. Yes, and yep, 4 books for accounting. Then for corporate and other laws we are having 1 book, and then okay, we have so 2 books for company law and other laws. And now question management accounting के लिए भी हमें 2 books ही पढ़नी है. So let's see, taxation के लिए हमें 5 books पढ़नी है, and it's the max number of books जो एक subject में. So taxation में सबसे ज़्यादा numbers of books ही. And in November 20 this was the most trickiest exam as well, जो मैंने अपने ITT training में जिन बच्चों ने attend दिया था उनसे सुना था. And yep, 3 books are there for direct tax and 2 books for indirect tax, that is GST. So yeah, this is for today, and I hope best for you your next coming attempt, and I hope best for you, like you can clear it. So please keep watching Padho Padho and subscribe us as well. Best of luck.